Hello internet world, welcome to my review of the Thinkware X800 2-channel bundle dash cam. I've also got the Thinkware Dash Cam Accessory car charger to show you as well. This was very kindly sent in free of charge by the manufacturer. No money's changed hands, they haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I just want to share with you my experience of using this over the past few weeks so you can make an informed buying decision. So without further ado, let's get on with the review. This is the Thinkware Dash Cam Accessory car charger. It's a car charging cable which will enable you to charge your Thinkware dash cam through the 12-volt vehicle accessory socket. It comes supplied in this box here. On the side here there's a picture of the product. On the back here we've got the codes, the EAN code and UPC code, and the model name, which is the PC3. Now you use this product with I think pretty much all of the Thinkware dash cam range to give it power whilst you're on the move. You do get an instruction guide on how to connect the power cable. It's a very simple affair though, and it's a very good quality cable. This end here goes into your dash cam, or if you've got a model where you use a dash cam mount, it might go into that. And then this end here quite simply goes into your 12-volt vehicle accessory socket. It's a nice long cable, and it's long enough in fact to sort of tuck around your headlining in the front of your car, around the windscreen, and then of course into your dash cam. Really useful product if you don't want to hardwire your dash cam into the battery or get a professional installation. This is a really good way of powering your dash cam whilst you're on the move. This is the Thinkware X800 2-channel bundle dash cam. It does come in a couple of different models. You can get the one with the front camera and the rear camera, or indeed you can just get the front camera by itself. What you're seeing now is the box contents, and we take a look at the box contents. We've got a safety information and warranty guide. We've also got some extra customer service information as well. We've got some little packs with some extra accessories. So these are like cable tidies. They've got little adhesive patches on the back and little hooks so that you can make your cable nice and tidy when you install the dash cam. You also get some mounts. So you get this mount for obviously mounting the dash cam. Again, it's got like a sticky pad here, and then this end here is where you slide in your dash camera. But if you want to reposition it, you do get an additional spare sticky 3M pad inside the box as well. Something that's really nice is that these dash cameras record onto micro SD cards. Not all manufacturers include a card, but you get a 32GB card inside the box, and then you also get an SD to micro SD card adapter. Really nice to see that. And then we get some additional pieces here. So what we've got here is a 12-volt vehicle accessory socket power cable. So this goes into your 12-volt vehicle accessory socket. This goes into your dash cam, and when you turn the engine on, it allows the power to come through the cable and power your dash cam whilst on the move. So really nice that they include that. It's the easiest way to install your dash cam. And then you also get this, which is a hard wiring kit. I would always recommend getting it professionally installed, but it allows you to hardwire this into your car's electric circuit and power your dash cam that way instead. We also get a cable for connecting between the dash cams, so really useful to have this. This is super long, allows you to feed the cable nice and tidy through your headlining. So again, a really good array of cables included. And then the other bits that you can see here, this is a GPS adapter. So this allows the dash cam to record GPS data alongside the video footage, which again is a really useful feature. So nice that we get the GPS adapter included. And then we get the two cameras. Because this is the 2-channel pack, we get the main front camera, we also get a rear camera as well. And before we take a closer look at those, let's just take a look at the product packaging. So this is the box that the whole kit comes in. It says here 2 cables included, GPS antenna included, and the fact that this supports QHD resolution from the main camera and also Full HD 1080p from the rear camera. So that's really nice. And if we look on the side here, we've got wide dynamic range, micro SD card included, a 2.7-inch LCD screen, and also an energy saving feature as well. So the front camera, where it says here QHD, that's 1440p, and then just to reiterate, the rear camera is 1080p. If we take a look round on the side of the box here, it actually details some more of the features. So you've got those resolutions supported at 30 frames per second. We've got super night vision. We've got an advanced driver assistance system as well, with warnings on lane departure, front collision, low speed, front vehicle departure warning. So some really good technology built into this. We've also got integrated thermal protection to stop overheating, time-lapse recordings as well. So a fully featured dash camera. This is really high quality. Before I show you the actual cameras, why would you want a dash cam? Well, these record out of the front and the rear, in this case, of your vehicle's windows. And whilst you're driving, if you're either involved in a road traffic accident or witness to a road traffic accident, you've actually got some video footage that could be used as evidence. Also, if you install certain dash cameras, depending upon your insurance company, you can get a potential discount on your car insurance premium. So you've got peace of mind and a potential saving as well. Let's have a look at the little rear camera. So this obviously installs in your rear window of your car. It's a really nice looking little camera. We've got an adhesive mount on it just here. The front element obviously here. And then if we take a look around on the side here, this is where you're going to connect it to the system. So really very, very nice. I think it pivots as well. Yep, so you have got some rotation on this. So once it's stuck onto your rear window, you can actually get the angle to avoid sort of reflections, for example. And this will actually record rear view from your rear window onto the micro SD card as well. And the micro SD card and the way this records is very good. It does like what's called a loop recording. So it will record footage until the micro SD card is full, and then it will start overwriting the oldest files first, unless you've of course protected any of the files. So this is the main front camera with that really good QHD resolution. We've got very, very good optics on here. I must emphasize that the video quality produced by this is absolutely superb. Really high definition, really good detail, good color rendition, and at night time excellent detail as well. It's very important to be able to sort of read number plates when you're watching back the video footage. It's got to make those visible and readable, and this does an excellent job with regards to quality. So main camera, we've got the top bit here where this goes into the mount. You've got the DC input at the top. You've got the input for the GPS, and also we can attach the rear camera. On the side here, we've got the power switch, also the micro SD card slot. Round on the back, we've got that 2.7-inch screen. We've got some status LEDs, speakers on the side. It's just a brilliantly, superbly designed product. Very, very nice quality this. And the fact that you get that 32 gig card in the box is more than ample to get you up and running. In fact, it'll last the lifetime of the camera really. You probably won't need to upgrade to a higher capacity. Very high quality finish, excellent menu system, excellent quality footage, makes this all round an absolutely superb choice if you want to purchase a dash cam. This is the Thinkware X800, brilliantly made, superb quality. I can highly recommend it, and I urge you to check this out. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you've got any questions or comments, drop them in the comment section below. And if you want to purchase either of these products, please do check out the links down in the video description. I want to thank you all for watching. Please do hit like if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future ones. I'll see you in another video very, very soon.